Ninja Pleinair is what this is. And basically we're hanging out in the car, it's working great, got the heater on. All we have to do is paint a picture. Now look at this car right in front of us. And we're just gonna draw the car. We're relaxing, we're sitting in our car relaxing, drawing another car. Basically what we're doing here, drawing as free as possible. It doesn't really matter if it's right. It's just a feeling that we're trying to get. See? There's the car, Xterra, and there we are, and Texas, of course, holla to Texas. And we'll obscure the license plate. We'll say blop, 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 blop. And then what do you think? There's a tree right next to it. So I'm gonna draw the tree. I'm gonna paint the tree on the side here. I'm using a super black. It's really toxic. And now, what do you think? Should we do the road? A little bit of the road coming out? Yeah, let's do a little bit of the road. And now we have cars. It's nighttime though, so the lights are just. And it's time to add some color. Let's just do the orange. Let me see if you could see that. I'm painting the orange of the car. All we have to do is leave the windshield. We'll make the lights red. There we go. There's the car. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's say that's okay. The lights red. There's a little red there. A little red there. Oh, paint the tree. Oh, paper's falling. If the paper falls, just don't worry about it. Okay. Got the tree down. Get the car spray lights. Over. Making it the color of the tree, little reflection, and bam! Hey everybody, that was really relaxing for me. I really needed that, and I really appreciate you being here. Hope it relaxed you as well. Take care.